Hello, students. This week's philosophy appetizer comes to us from the world of golf. I grew up in a third world country, and so growing up for me, golf was the sport of rich people. There was nothing that I could really do to get access to that kind of a stuff. The equipment was expensive. You had to be a member in a club, all that kind of stuff. Things changed a lot later on, and a lot of that came from the work of Tiger Woods, of course, who basically popularized the sport to the extent where a lot of kids now wanted to play golf, and many golf courses started opening up their doors to junior players. Uh, I still thought of golf as kind of like a silly sport. Okay, you hit a ball with a club and you go find it. Uh, until I met this man.
This is my good friend Will Neal. I met Will when I lived in Florida, and he was a product of the famous David Ledbetter Golf Academy. And then he branched off and started his own in South Florida. Uh, Will had the heart to train, especially young people, young players. And my son was one of them. And eventually he coached them to the point where he was able to qualify for his high school varsity golf team. Will is a great guy. He is now retired and he lives here in Irvine, California. But I learned a lot with him about the game of golf, that it was not as simple as I thought it was, that it required many, many different skills, both physical and mental, and a lot of discipline. He gave me just one lesson, and in that one lesson, my whole perspective of the game of golf completely changed.
So, to play golf, you had to learn a lot of little bitty details, and you wouldn't believe how much goes into you swinging a club to hit a ball. I mean, everything from, how you stand, how you grip the golf club, how do you do your takeaway and put your shoulder under your chin, and how do you bring back your swing and avoid trying to look at where the ball went before you even hit it, right? So you have to follow your swing and watch the ball go. All kinds of things, like I said, the stance, the grip, the takeaway, the strike. Um, Strategy as to which club to use. Do you want higher loft? Do you want to hit like a line drive? Do you putt? Do you chip? All kinds of things go into becoming good at the game of golf. And what I want to say is, um, what you learn from this is that, like many other endeavors in life, to be good at something, to achieve success, you have to work hard and you have to practice a lot. And I bring it to you now because we are learning some things that are going to be very important down the road. Things like recognizing how does an acid work, how does a base work, how to build an ice table to analyze the concentrations and behavior of substances in equilibrium. A lot of this stuff, all these skills, they need to be honed. You need to practice a lot. And so, what I want to encourage you to do is, just like my golf coach Will said, you have to practice a lot. Okay? Thank you so much.